Hey everybody, this is Dwayna aka Glamazon1026 and welcome to the Glam Room. Today we are going to be doing a very cute, pun intended, eyeshadow tutorial for the fall, okay? The fall is all about dark colors, it's all about like the changing of leaves. Fall is like super colorful. Fall is like more of the muted colors, whereas summer is more of the bright in your face bold colors, you know? So we're going to like kind of slow it down. We're gonna mute it down. We're gonna tone it down today. We're gonna give you a really cute fall look that will take you from, I don't know where you go with this look. I'm gonna be honest. Like you probably going to like a ball or a gala. Okay, you can go to a gala. We're gonna go from gala to Waffle House. I don't know. Wherever you would go after a gala to home. Just stay tuned. How about that? How about if you want to see this, stay tuned. In about 15 to 20 seconds, we got this cute little insert, this little intro that my sister did for me. You just watch that and just stay tuned, and we will get right in to this look. Okay, I will see you guys in a few seconds. MAC 217 with this Makeup Geek Power Pigment in the shade Untouchable. I'm just gonna stamp it into my crease. We're not gonna do like super duper a bunch of transition shades today. We're just going to keep it, well, I'm saying we're gonna keep it simple, but we're just going to take powders and stamp them on because I want this to be really bold, I want it to be really bright and vibrant for fall. I used these powders for the first time yesterday, and I have to say I am very impressed with how they're performing. Let me get the excess powder off the brush and then use the same brush to blend out into my transition area. Then I'm going to keep going back in with the red until it builds up to the color and the intensity. You lose some of the pigment when you blend it out, so that's why we have to go back in with red, or whatever color you're going to be using. We're going to add some of that back so that when you blend it out, you'll have a little bit more. And as you can see, the more I dab and blend, the bolder this look gets. And so I'm going to do this a couple more times until I find my sweet spot. With the number 7 brush from the BH Cosmetics Blush Romance Kit, I'm picking up Ladyship from the Colored Rain Queen of Hearts palette. I'm going to put that in my transition area. So exactly where you saw me put the red, we're going to put this color directly on top of that. I'm using this clean Morph M505 brush to blend out these colors because I don't want to add any more shades to this right now. I want to see how this blends out first, and then we'll see if we need to add more colors to it. So now I'm picking up the Lorac Pro palette and I am going in with Plum. I have this Makeup Geek defined crease brush. I'm taking that, take Plum on that, I'm putting it directly into my crease now. So our goal for this is to get deeper and richer the further down we go into our lid. We are going to go back in with our the same brush that we used Ladyship on. We're going to do that again, and we are going to tap over Plum so that we can blend this harsh line out. So I'm taking the Makeup Geek Bent Liner brush with my NARS Radiant Creamy in Chantilly, and I'm going to cut this crease. I'm taking this flat brush and going into Crown. I'm going to put that on the front third of my lid. And now, very quickly, I'm going to put some glitter on. I do not know the name of this glitter, and it's kind of like my favorite glitter because it's clear. Well, it's not clear. It's white. And it goes on kind of like translucent, so you can still see all the shadow work that you did under your glitter. To finish up the top portion of the eye, I'm just going to take this this brush. This is what we use Ladyship on. I have not added any more pigment, but I'm just going to rub Ladyship. I'm just going to bring it in all the way up here. I just want that burgundy color, that darker color, to come through a little bit more on the tail. And there will still be contrast because I'm not using the darkest purple. So I finished off my entire face off camera because I tried to do my wings on camera and they came out so janky. I had to like stop filming, and like it was a lot. It made me want to quit makeup forever doing the wings for this look. Anyway, if you want to see my full foundation routine, I'm going to leave two links for you. The first one is going to be my regular foundation routine, and then the second one will be my longwear foundation routine. So if those are things you're interested in, make sure you click the links that are up above wherever this is, and then get your face in order. I'm coming in with my Makeup Geek Ablaze highlighter. This is my favorite highlighter, you guys. I'm gonna just put this everywhere highlighter needs to be. I'm using a Juvia's Place brush. I decided I like short, dense brushes for highlight better than like big fluffy brushes because I get to put the amount of highlight I want on. I get to put, like, I don't have to, I don't know. I just like it better. We're going to finish off the lower portion of our lid by using Plum from Lorac and Ladyship from Colored Rain under here, and then I might blend it out with the red from Makeup Geek. I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna line my lips with MAC's Magenta Lip Pencil and then fill it in with Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Catsuit in the shade Nice to Fuchsia. I changed my mind. I'm lining it with Night Moth because I want it to be a little bit darker. It took me forever, but we are here and we're finished. And the look came out really cute. It's not this is not what was in my head when I said I'm gonna do a berry look for fall, but it came out really, really cute. And this is a little bit fancier. You know, you wanna just wear this outside to, like, I mean, if you wanted to, you can take it to the grocery store. But you know, this is if you go into, like, I don't know, like Congressional Black Caucus and you need, you know, to go to a gala and you gotta do like a very cute fall eyeshadow look. This is what this is for. If you like this video, if you like this look, if you like my lipstick, if you like Titan, if you like my personality, if you just like me, like this video. Give me a thumbs up. Put that clicker, that mouse pointer, or your finger if you're using your phone, just tap that thumbs up button down at the bottom below the screen, because that is how I know that you are enjoying my content, and that is how YouTube knows that they need to keep pushing my content to you. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Please put on your notification bell, put on that little bell at the bottom, the notification bell, so that you can be part of the Bang Bang notification gang. Do not forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. I'm not as active on Instagram as I used to be. I tell myself that's something that I'm going to work on in the near future. But I am at Glamazon1026, and you know, if you want to talk to me, you can talk to me on there. I'm always there. I'm always being silly. I always got something to say about makeup and life and my dog and current events and all of that stuff. So yeah, just follow me over there as well, and I will see you guys in my next video. All right, thank you. Have a good day. Bye.